Hi Kipsters and families, my name is Ms. Roman and today I'm going to show you how to check grades and feedback in Google Classroom. So before we start, there are two pre-steps you want to follow. The first is make sure you're logged into Google Classroom. The website for that is classroom.google.com. And the second is to select the class you want to check first. The method that I'm going to show you will show you a bunch of grades for that one class at the same time. So once you're in that classroom, the first thing you want to do is click on the Classwork tab. This is the same way that you get to our Zoom link as well as the classwork for the day. Once you click on that Classwork tab, there should be a thing at the top that says View Your Work. You want to click on that. That'll show you the student's name at the top, plus all of the assignments given by teachers in that class. There are a couple of things that you might see on the side of each assignment. The first is assigned. That means that's what should be worked on that day. The next is missing. This means that work needs to be made up as soon as possible. This is work that was already due. You might also see the words turned in, just like at the bottom here. That means that you're good. The teacher is going to check it and give you a grade as soon as they can. You might also see something like these two things, which are the graded scores. So if something's already graded, it means the teacher has seen it, they've reviewed it, and they've returned it to you. You might also see these dialog boxes here next to the actual assignment itself, and that means that you have feedback. You want to click on those assignments to see what your teacher has written for you. So let's say I clicked on this assignment here. We can see for this student, Mr. Pitts left the feedback. Keep up the great work right down here. So you can see what a teacher has to say for each and every assignment. Just look for that dialog box. You might also go back and click on the form itself or the CAMI assignment itself to see if the teacher left you very specific feedback on the document that you used. This is really helpful for Google Forms, where a teacher can give you feedback on each and every question. So here's the Google form that I clicked on. At the top, it tells you the grade that you scored on that assignment. Sometimes, if teachers haven't gotten a chance to review it and turn it back, this grade might be wrong. So you want to make sure that you're clicking on this assignment when you see it's graded on the side. As I scroll down in that assignment, I can see which questions I got right and wrong. I can also see right underneath the question, it's not here, but it would be in this section, any feedback that the teacher is giving me on that specific question. Here are some other helpful tips. You want to check the icons to see if work is submitted. So this is a really great way to just go into a classroom and look through everything to make sure that you are up to date with all your classwork. If you see these icons on the side here and notice that they are gray, that means that it does not need to be turned in. You want to pay close attention to any icon on the side that is colorful, and that color will change depending on what color the whole class is. For this class, it's purple. I know that because of the different headings here. They are purple, so my icons are going to be purple when I still have an assignment that needs to be submitted. When I look at these icons here, there are two big ones that I'm going to see. There are a couple of other ones that exist, but these are what teachers are going to use the most. One is assignment. When you see something that looks kind of like a clipboard with some writing on it, that means it's something that needs to be completed by a student and turned in. When it's colorful, again, that means that it still needs to be done. When it's gray, that means it was submitted. Another thing you might see is this page that looks like it has a bookmark on it. That's a material. That will always be grayed out in the student view. The reason it's grayed out is because students aren't actually turning it in. It is just something that's really important for class time. So it might be something that you need to reference for class, or most likely it's going to be your Nearpod link for that class. That's all that I have for checking grades and feedback. If you have any questions, please make sure you're reaching out to me.